Original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? If this is your first time, my name is Lizzie. You are welcome. Before you leave, please don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So this hair is from Lizzie Hair. I'm going to link the Instagram link down below. You can place your order. Outside the country, Nigeria, we are going to deliver to you. You just have to pay shipping. It will be delivered to you through DHL. So I will just install my wig. It comes with wig, 2-wig cap, and eyelashes. So I will just install one, use foundation to blend it together, so that like if I install the wig cap, it will not just pronounce, it will like blend with my forehead with the foundation. So this is 150 density and 22 inches, so very full, guys. So I will be using gät2b glue. I'm not going to be doing a lot of installing because I'm in a hurry. Today is my daughter's birthday. Like, I just have to fast before people start coming in. If you have hand dryer, you can grab hand dryer. If you don't have hand dryer, you can just use paper to find it. Then after you use paper to just blow a little bit hair on it so that it will be like dry, then you use comb, so press it down and use comb to comb the hair upward so that it will not, the glue will not glue the hair together. I don't know if you will understand me. So just use your hand to press it, leave it, let it dry, then cut the excess net in the front. We are not going to leave it like this. When you are cutting it, you just have to be careful. Like, you just have to trace your hand, trace it, because I'm waving my hand. You cut it straight. If you cut it straight, there will be excess hair. You just have to cut it like wave your hand according to where the hair length. Then ear side, if it's too big for the two ear side, you just have to trim little bit of it from the ear side so that it will lap. If you don't lap your ear, you will not be comfortable. It's like something is inching your ear. You just have to remove little bit for the two side.
Baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going.
So after cutting it, you just still have to spray gät2b glue, spray, then still fan it, then gum it, let it gum. If it's too big, you can still continue cutting according to your skull. Some skull is bigger than some is small than some people can use it, they don't need to cut, but some can use it, they need to trim like mine.
Fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel.
So after everything is intact, I will just fan it, then clean my face, then tie it down with my satin scarf. Then I will do my makeup, guys, and come back to the camera so that you can see my look, guys.
And I be feeling you. Girls, them are.
So I'm done doing my makeup. I'm still going to leave the video of my makeup. I'm still going to do that separate so that the video will not be too long. Like me, I don't like to sit down watching one particular video, so I always like gauge the minute. So the brush I used to rub, like apply my foundation, I will just blend it so that the front will just blend together. Then play with it, use hot comb to play with the hair in the front, straight it because the hair is already straight. I didn't even do anything. I didn't even use hot comb, guys, to see how the hair is so lovely. Place your order. It's so very nice.
You I want to see.
After playing with it with this hot comb, so I will just pray God to be styling more in the side. If you like, you don't have to do this. It's not by gumming it, it's just to make the two sides raise little bit, just to make it raise. So I will just spray it and comb it. That is the end of this video, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Enjoy the rest video. Stay blessed and God bless you all.
Money, say I want you to be mine. Money, say I want you to be mine. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Let's go, let's go. Auntie mi ko mole, brother mi ko mole, sister mi ko mole, uncle mi ko mole. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance.